Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming out as an addict. I am hella obsessed with TikTok and everything that is on there. So if you have a TikTok, go ahead and add me. I'll post my thing below. But I am so obsessed with TikTok. I stay up all night, so one of the things, like I said, I noticed is the makeup. And a huge challenge here lately has been the Fire and Ice challenge. It is to the song from that Christmas movie, like, I'm Mr. Heenmeister. I'm not going to include the song because, you know, copyright issues, but it's all over TikTok. And I'm still trying to figure out how to use TikTok. Like, I don't know how to press like the buttons right. So I figured, why not make a YouTube video out of it? Because everybody loves YouTube, right? Well, I hope so. But anyways, so that's what we're going to do today. We are going to do the Fire and Ice challenge brought to you by the Tick of the Talk. So, like every makeup tutorial, you gotta put on that face. Now this isn't a tutorial. It's going to be more of a walkthrough. And you kind of watch what I'm doing. And if you have questions, well, keep them for later, because ain't nobody got time to answer your questions. There's a thunderstorm like you guys. She texted me and she lives like 30 to 35 minutes away. She's like, a tree fell over in our backyard. Okay, cool, mom. It's really bad outside. They're issuing a tornado warning in a county that's 40 minutes away from me. Cool, mom. Sorry, I feel bad for them. Well, make sure you're okay. Do you need to come stay night with me? No, mom. I'm great. I'm fine. I got my battery pack and everything for my phone, so I'm Gucci. Okay, well, just be careful. You know it's really bad outside. Mom, I'm not going to go outside, so we're good. Yeah. So, Fire and Ice. Because I don't ever do effects makeup, I don't have effects colors. Like, I don't have effects whites, I don't have effects browns, the colors of the rainbow. I do not have them. So, what we're gonna do is a rendition of everything that you see on the TikTok world with regular makeup. Now, I'm gonna do my best to make it look like it would be effects makeup, but effects makeup is a lot thicker. And if I want white, I would just put white on my face. Well, you guys, even though I'm hella pale, I don't have white foundation or white effects foundation. So what you're getting is my pale ass foundation. So hopefully this is white enough for you. Really backwards for me right now. I'm not picking a wedgie, I promise. I know what you're thinking. What the hell am I watching? I don't even know. So hopefully you're still watching. Because if not, I totally understand. Like, this video totally does not make sense at all. So if you already clicked out, we will miss you guys. But if you're still here, thank you so much. It's people like you that give me the reason why I want to continue to make videos. But for those that clicked out already, well, we don't need them here. That's just bad negative energy, and you know what they say in 2020? It's all about positive vibes. So if you clicked out already, bad Felicia. Fire is brought to you by the Conspiracy Palette. Dude, go sit down. Rudy, I swear to God, doggy, if you don't sit down, you're not getting to sleep with me tonight. So, my best advice for you, little one, is sit down. This is why, Mom, I haven't had kids yet, because I still can't control my dog, and he does not listen to me. So why do I need a kid that's a human that's not going to listen to me? So, Mom, I'm sorry, but you ain't getting them out of me anytime soon. You can enjoy my nephew. So yeah, hope you like them. I'm Mr. White Christmas. I'm Mr. 10 Below. They call me Heatmeister. Oh my god, I'm telling you guys, like, that song is gonna be stuck in your head thanks to me. So, you're welcome. Remember, when I was in high school, I had this weird obsession with putting chapstick as a primer on my eyeballs for my makeup. Well, this was before, like I said, I discovered like what the YouTube industry was. So I was rocking chapstick on my eyeballs. Now, just know I'm not an artist. So if my flames look like a child drill, well, technically did, because I am a big old child, so yeah. For me to not ever like really play with effects makeup, I'm not doing too bad. I'm not doing great, but like I said, I don't play with effects makeup. Lashes on this side. Now it's time to do ice. So this is my life. Hold on tight, hold on. Like I said, this was a get ready with me. Not really get ready with me, because after I'm done with this, I'm going to bed. But still, this is not like a tutorial. This is just watch me put makeup on my face, and hopefully you're still watching. Do I regret my decision to make this video? Probably. Do I care? No. Am I fire? Heck yeah. Am I ice? Sorta. Am I a popsicle? Probably. So hopefully you liked this video. I know it was a little bit different. I didn't talk through the whole thing. It was kind of like, watch me do my makeup, but I wanted to try the challenge. And I think for my first time doing something like this, I did okay. Is it the greatest? I'm only gonna get better. So watch me, watch me, watch me, watch me. But yeah, for my first challenge, I thought I did pretty solid. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Go ahead and comment what challenge you want me to do next. Also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't, there's the door. Go ahead and exit left, boys and girls. Don't forget to subscribe, because like I said, I'm starting to do 2 videos a week. Go ahead and watch the video I put up Thursday. It was a follow me day in the life as a hairdresser, and then today's video, which would be number 2, which is TikTok's Fire and Ice Challenge. So yeah, this is the end of the video, and we go ahead and leave, and I will see you guys next time.